Hey everyone, it's Dale here from DNM Services again. Doing something a little bit different here. I'm using the drone a lot in this video, so I have to do a bit of a voiceover. I worked on this property down at Serena Beach. I posted some video in earlier posts about the place, but this is a more comprehensive one. You'll see the longer grass around the property where part of it had been mowed, part of it had been neglected. It was a recent purchase. I did a little bit here from the camera and then I did some more, but I sort of wanted to focus on the flyover and just have a play with the drone with this one. But yeah, a lot of the area underneath the tree line was like this and bigger. And then out in the paddock here, you'll see it was nicely mowed in one area there, so we left that be, and then this taller grass and vines and other, I don't know what it was, some really heavy grass. Was so dense, that stuff right there that I'm going through now. There was lantana, saplings, you'll see it come up and coming little snippet soon. Yeah, a lot of regrowth in trees as well, not just saplings but like stands of trees. It was undulating ground, flat ground, not too many rocks thankfully. It was really good as far as that goes. And the lady wanted to get it all cleaned up, so she knew what she had and she wants to put her horses in here. So obviously did a bit more cleaning up for fence lines and things, repairing fences and things like that, which she's going to do. But you'll see there's trees here. This is all regrowth. Just a thick patch of it. But yeah. These videos are sped up as well. I don't work this fast. I wish I could, but yeah, don't. The only thing I found with the FEMAC Mulcher in here was the sap got into the mulcher a fair bit, into where the teeth pivot on the bolts, and yeah, they were jamming up a bit. So I have to work out something to fix that. But you'll see all the brown underneath the tree line here. That's where I've been. So I've been all over this little 5-acre property and cleared out all the underbrush. There was a lot of it. Did it over 2 sessions, so you'll see the brown section there in this video, and you'll see the green stuff with the track marks through in the foreground, and again here the green. So I did from here to the right 2 weeks earlier. So it's just handy interesting to know that the regrowth didn't come back. And those longer sections of grass there was like mowed tracks through the grass. So I didn't mulch them down obviously, but you'll see they've grown back a little bit more than the rest. But anyway, did a good job. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next video, eh?